Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Rivière-à-Claude, a peaceful village tucked between the sea and the mountains in Quebec's Haute-Gaspésie region. As we drive along Route 132, you'll notice how the landscape blends rugged cliffs, dense forests, and the vast waters of the St. Lawrence River. The village's name comes from the nearby Rivière-à-Claude, which flows from the Chic-Choc Mountains into the St. Lawrence. The origin of the name is a bit of a mystery. Some believe it's named after a pioneer named Joseph Claude, while others think it refers to a type of bird once common in the area. Rivière-à-Claude may be small, but its rich history and stunning natural beauty make it a memorable stop along the Gaspé Peninsula.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!